How to make your account private on Instagram in 2019. I am showing you on the Android, but the method is same for the iPhone also, since it is a function of the Android app and not the operating system. So first of all, you need to open the Instagram app, and on the bottom right hand side you need to click your profile, and after clicking that, look towards the top right hand side. You will see the three horizontal bars. You need to click this to access your settings, which will now be visible on the bottom center. Click the settings. In the settings you need to click the privacy, and in the privacy you need to select the first option, that is the account privacy. And here you will get the option to make your account private, and as it says that when your account is private, only the people you approve can see your photos and videos. However, your existing followers won't be affected. Once you will select this, it will again give you the caution message. You need to click OK, and this is how you can make your Instagram account private in 2019. If you like the video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.